Welcome student. Now see numerical based on the van der Waals equation. Here example first, van der Waals constant for carbon dioxide gas are A equals to 3.64 into 10 raised to power 5 dm raised to 6 Newton per meter square mole raised to minus 2, and B equals to 4.26 into 10 raised to power minus 2 dm cube per mole, and R is given 0.083 into 10 raised to power 5 Newton per meter square dm cube mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Now calculate PC, VC, TC for CO2 gas. First of all, given data. Van der Waals constant A is equals to 3.64 into 10 raised to power 5 so many dm raised to 6 Newton per meter square mole raised to minus 2. Small b is given 4.26 into 10 raised to power minus 2 so many dm cube mole inverse, and R is equals to 0.08309 into 10 raised to power 5 Newton per meter square dm cube mole inverse Kelvin inverse. Now you have to find out PC, VC, TC. Now VC, that is volume, that's why its unit is decimeter cube per mole, dm cube per mole, okay, or liter per mole. Okay. Now after this, pressure PC, that is Newton per meter square, and then temperature TC, that is Kelvin. These three quantities you have to find out. Firstly, our first formula for VC is, you know, VC is equals to thrice B. That's why 3 into B. What is the value of B? 4.26 into 10 raised to power minus 2 so many dm cube per mole. And if you multiply 3 into 3 by 4.26, then it will becomes out to be 12.84. What is it? 12.84 into 10 raised to power minus 2 so many dm cube mole inverse or dm cube per mole. It is volume. Okay, it is the first quantity which we determined from this formula. Okay, now second, what is the second formula? Second formula for PC. What is the PC? PC is equals to A upon 27B square. This is our formula. You know van der Waals constant A equals to, okay, what is A is equals to PC upon 27B square. That's why the value of PC will be, what is the value of PC? First of all, A. What is A? A is nothing but 3.84 into 10 raised to power 5. Then 27 into, what is the value of B? B is nothing but 4.26 into 10 raised to power minus 2. It's a square. Now see, upper numerator remains as it is. Okay, now In the denominator 27 remains as it is. 4.26 multiplied by 4.26, it will be 18.31. What is it? 18.31. Now 10 raised to power minus 2 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 2. That's why it will be 10 raised to power minus 4. Hence it will be 10 raised to power minus 4. Okay. Then solid 3.64 into 10 raised to power 5 at the numerator, but denominator 10 raised to power minus 4. When it comes to numerator, it will be plus 4. Okay. And 27 multiplied by 18.31, then it will be 27 into 18.31, then this value will be 494.49, sorry 59. Okay. Then solid 3.64 divided by 494.59, then it will be, what is it? It will be 0.0073 into 10 raised to power 5 plus 4, then it will be 9. That's why. Further, what is the value of PC? Further, what is the value of PC? PC is equals to, now if you rearrange this, it may be also written as 7.3 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Okay, 0.0073 means 7.3 into 10 raised to power minus 3 into 10 raised to power 9 remains as it is. Again 9 minus 3, it will be 6. That's why 7.3 into 10 raised to power 6, so many Newton per meter square. It is the value of PC. Last point, that is the TC. Now, what is the formula for TC? We know the relationship. TC equals to 8A upon 27 RB. 8A upon 27 RB. Now, put value of each. See, 8 multiplied by, what is the value of A? A will be 3.64 into 10 raised to power 5. Then 27, R will be 0.0830. Then B, what is the value of B? B will be 4.26 into 10 raised to power minus 2. See, 8 multiplied by 3.64 upon 27 multiplied by 0.083 into 4.26. Okay, into above at the numerator 10 raised to power 5. When this 2 comes to numerator, it will be plus. Then multiplication of these two, 8 multiplied by 3.6, then it will be 29.18. It will be 29.18 and it will be 10 raised to power 7. 5 plus 2 means 7. Multiplication of 27 multiplied by 0.083 multiplied by 4.26. Multiplication of all this thing is nothing but it will be multiplication of it will be 9.6 into 10 raised to power 1. Okay, that's why 9.6 into it will be okay, then it will be if 5 remains as it is, instead of this you may solve in this way, -2 maybe at the numerator, it will be 5, then it will be 9.6 into 10 raised to power 3. Then after solving this, 29.18 divided by 9.6, then it will be 3.03. 3.03 into 10 raised to power 2, 5 minus 3. That's why it will be 303 so many Kelvin. This is final answer, that is TC. It will be the value of TC. Example second, calculate critical volume of gas if critical pressure and critical temperature are 77.11 into 10 raised to power 5 Newton per meter square and 417.7 Kelvin respectively. Means it is critical pressure and it is critical temperature, and you have to find out the value of critical volume. Okay, this you have to find out, and the critical pressure, that is PC, is 77.11 into 10 raised to power 5 so many Newton per meter square, and the critical temperature TC is equal to 417.7 Kelvin respectively. Now see which formula you have to use. PC and TC is given and you have to find out the value of VC, critical volume. This formula we have seen in the show that. What is that show that relationship? It will be PC TC is equals to, last point we have seen, RTC upon PCVC. Now formula RTC upon PCVC is equals to 2.66. Means if you know any one among these PCVC TC, you know any two, then you are able to find out the third. If you know T and PC, you are able to find out VC. If you know PC and VC, then you are able to find out TC. Here VC we have to find out, PC and TC are given directly, that's why VC is equals to, this is learned to you because we seen it in formula, RTC upon PCVC is equals to 2.66 or 8 by 3, okay, or 8 by 3. This we have seen, this is formula. Now from this VC is equals to RTC upon PC into 2.66. Further calculate VC is equals to, what is the value of R? It is given 0.083 into 10 raised to power 5. What is the value of TC? Critical temperature is given 417.7 upon RTC upon PCVC. That's why PC into 2.6. What is PC? PC is also given. Critical pressure is given. It will be 77.115 into 2.66. Now further, if both these are cancelled, since these both are same, that's why the final answer becomes 0.16 so many dm cube. it is value of Vc.